Hey yo, what up people, this is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today we are back with another video. And in today's video, you have seen the box here already. You know that I have the shoes out of the box. I got the shoes out of the box. These are the Jordan 1 Low Elephant print. At this point, I'm not gonna do a review. Nike took their time to deliver these babies to me, so you have seen a million reviews on these. But what I'm gonna do for you is give you a lace swap on these babies right here, because this is such a good shoe to play with because of the neutral colors that this one has. You can throw a bunch of laces on these shoe, and guess what? I have a bunch of laces. Look at my bag. I got the Target bag full of laces, so I'm gonna use some nice color options. I'm not gonna use them all, but some dope ones. And if you want me to do a part two, leave a like so your boy knows that you want to see that. So before we go into this lace swap, all I'm gonna give you is my opinion about this, and it's that for some reason I really feel that this one looks way better than the Jordan 1 High with the elephant print. I don't know why, but this one works a lot better than the high top does. Probably it's because this one has black instead of white on the panel and on the toe. I don't know. Or probably it's just because elephant print just look better on the low top. I don't know what's the reason, but I like this better than the Jordan 1 Highs, and I think I'm gonna keep this in the collection. I thought I was not, but after seeing these in person, I kind of like this. And I'm gonna keep these babies in the collection for sure. So now, just let me invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up because you're really gonna help me a lot just by leaving a like, and it's totally free, and it's only gonna take 1 second of your time to go and leave a like. Activate the notification bell as well so YouTube notify you every time I upload a new video, which is every single day, guys. And oh, by the way, go follow me here on my Instagram, Jason J Kicks. Now, let's go with this lace swap.